Argument 1. Small things, puppies, and the Nazis. Antinatalists need to appreciate the small things in life. Take for example my kick-ass puppy dog calendar. Aren't these puppies cute? If the antinatalists had their way, they would put these innocent puppies in a bag, and throw them in the river. Why do antinatalists want to murder innocent puppies? Well, according to David Benatar, the leading antinatalist philosopher, it's because the puppies will experience suffering. What? That's no reason to murder innocent puppies, you sick bastard. Do you know who else murdered puppies? Adolf Hitler. Except Adolf Hitler didn't just murder puppies. He also murdered people. Yes, Hitler was the first antinatalist. What? You want proof? Well, here is a snippet from one of Hitler's speeches. Hitler gave this speech at the 1935 Antinatalist Convention. I suppose that means that the Nazis were all antinatalists as well. So, basically, if you are an antinatalist, you are also a filthy communist Nazi. Congratulations.